Hey, Harvey.
We're grabbing the turtle on the TV.
What?
On the TV truck.
You want to watch what?
And a giraffe and a turtle.
The giraffe and the turtle? Oh, the crab and the turtle. I don't know which one's on that one.
Yeah.
YouTube?
Yeah.
Oh. Let's go right there for that. Say hi. Hey.
Go away.
Say hi, everybody. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Hey, can you show them your tractor? Can you show them your tractor?
No.
No?
That's not a tractor.
Where's your tractor?
That's the new one.
What's this? What is this?
That's the new trailer.
This is a trailer?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll put that right there.
No, it's going to stop.
Okay.
It's this guy right here.
So you don't want to show anyone your toys?
No. That's my toy.
Oh, those are your toys.
Yeah.
Can you say hi to everybody?
Hi, everybody.
What are you doing right now?
I'm
You laying down?
Yeah.
Say, can you tell them what your favorite color is?
Call it the tractor.
Show them your tractor?
No, that one just.
What is that?
That's the car.
That's your orange car?
It's not the tractor. That's the car.
What color car is that?
Orange and blue.
That's orange and blue?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, show me another car.
That's the one.
What color is that car?
It's got yellow and pink and purple and yellow.
Yellow, pink, and purple.
Black.
And black.
There's only another one.
Okay, which one's that? What color is that?
That's another away.
Oh,
So
show. Ooh, what color is that one?
blue.
Blue?
It's got blue
No purple?
and white.
Is there purple?
Pink.
Pink?
Yeah.
Oh, I think you're off on the color there. What color is that one? Show them. Oh, you gotta show the camera.
Oh.
There it is. What color is that? What kind of car is that one?
It's green.
What?
It's a mighty the well.
That's a what?
Mighty the well.
A what color?
Mighty the well. It's only another car. That one.
What color is that one?
Well,
Okay, show everybody.
it's got.
Show them the yellow car. Ooh,
Wake up.
you're missing the lens there, bro.
Wake up. Wake up.
Look, I'll show them. Ooh, there it is.
No, let's go here.
Yeah,
There it is.
there it
Wake
is.
up.
There it is.
Wake up. It's going away.
Okay, show them your green car. Show them your
No, bus.
what?
Where's my bus go?
Your bus?
Yeah.
I think it's in the living room.
Oh, no. It's at Mommy's house.
And the bus is at Mommy's house? No, I think your monster truck bus is in the living room.
I got Mommy's bus.
Are you leaving?
I'm going to get the bus.
Okay, Harvey's going to get the bus. Can we get Mango over here? Come here, Mango. No, Mango's sleeping. Let me think. Dad jokes. When I think of dad jokes, the first one that comes to mind is, what did the ocean say to the beach? Didn't say anything, it just waved. I've used that one before. Oh, there's the bus.
And then the monster truck bus.
Ooh, nice.
And Julie's car.
Ooh, red car.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one's like broken. Did you break it?
No, I did. I fixed it.
You fixed it?
Yeah. I fixed my car. This one is a car.
Yeah?
Huh?
Ooh, I like this one.
No, that's mine.
Big monster truck bus.
Yeah. Those are big.
Big monster truck bus.
Oh, big one's on the outside. See it?
What's outside?
A monster truck here.
There's a monster truck outside?
Yeah.
Where?
That's a really big one. That's a really big monster truck.
You see a monster truck?
Here comes the doggy. And here comes the kitty.
Where's the doggy, dude?
Where did we go?
Where did the doggy go?
Where, bye-bye?
Bye-bye to the doggy?
They were bye-bye. I got you. It's my trolley.
Ooh, that Daniel's Tiger trolley? Show him. Show him Daniel's Tiger trolley. Ooh, nice, dude.
What's the fireworks trolley?
Oh, we got fireworks tonight. Fireworks. When do the fireworks come out?
It's coming in the trolley.
The fireworks are coming on the trolley?
Yeah.
Ooh, I don't know. Is that true?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. All right, so let's go get ready to go watch the fireworks, okay?
No, it's scary.
Fireworks are scary?
Yeah.
Really?
They're so loud.
They're so loud, yeah. Oh, yeah. Fireworks so loud.
No, that's the baby one.
All right, hey, say bye, everybody.
I can find another.
You what?
I can find that one. No, another one. I can find it.
Show me your orange car.
It's the no.
Can you show us your orange car? Miko, come here.
That one's it.
Oh, show them. Show them your orange car. There it is.
That's the little
Show them.
See.
Okay, right here. You gotta show like this, right there.
No, it's going here.
Okay, we'll put it right there.
That's the car still.
That's cool.
That's the car still move.
That's why the car doesn't move?
Yeah. Oh, turn it. There.
There it is. It is, bro. All right, show them your, can you show them your school bus again? Monster truck school bus?
I got that one. That?
Ooh, that's your Volkswagen bus. That's your Volkswagen microbus.
Yeah.
Boom.
See it?
See it? I see it. Nice, bro. Nice. Where's Daniel Tiger's trolley?
It's right here.
Oh yeah, show them.
It's the really big trolley. That's the really big one. That's the big cool trolley.
Yeah.
That's the really big one.
Yeah, it is.
That's the really big one.
That is a big trolley, bro. Yep.
It's trolley going. Where's the trolley going?
Where is the trolley going?
It's going by. Here it comes. Here comes trolley.
There's the trolley.
Where's the fungo?
Okay. Say goodbye, everybody. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Make sure you hit the like button.
It's a hot one.
Hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel. Say see you next time.
There. I pressed it.
Say see you next time, bro. All right.
Bye,
Bye, everybody.
everybody.
Bye, everybody. Say bye, Mango. Okay. Bye.